Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5, Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson we left off with creating the main menu, and in this one we are gonna fix some of the things we have. So first of all, I got the image pack, so right now we can add the correct images here. So I'm gonna select the item, the fish, our fish here, and I'm gonna search for fish. Yep, UI fish, and now this image is added to this item. It will pop on our inventory, and from what I heard, there was a key created for this door, so let's use the key, not the crab. So maybe I can find it like this, but there is a key UI, so we won't use the key. Let's use our wonderful crab. Again, the same mistake. So here we have our crab, and if we press play, and we go pick up our items, we are seeing the fish. Let's cheat a little bit. Can I pass through here? Oh, unfortunately we won't cheat. Let's give the fish to the quick giver. Fish is gone. Here it opens. And here is our crab, which opens this gate. Great. Now, second thing that we have is some new images. All the images will be on specific folders. Right now I have them on UI characters and UI items. So we have all these wonderful characters. So let's implement them on our UI. That's the quest is talking. Now, this actually would need a better setup, but we will kind of cheat the engine. Just get an image. And just bring it inside the canvas. And let's say the size is about right. We're gonna bring it here. Also frame it with the anchors, so it's always here. And we're gonna give it a name, say talker, person who talks, character, image. Let's keep things simple. So we have this as a variable. Now, on the event graph, the correct way would be to set it here as as an input, an output of the event. Well, input actually. And we would set this, and every time that a message is playing, it's asking who's talking, basically give us his image. We won't do this. We're not gonna do this because since we only have one person talking on the dialogue, we can limit it to whenever we collide with the quest to set the image that we want. So all we need to do is the collision here before we set actually visibility. Nothing else matters in this logic operation order. Before we set visibility to true, and we set visibility to true to wait, what? I'm sorry, I'm blind. We have this wonderful event here that does that for us. So before we do that, I'm gonna get actually, yeah, no, let's put it here. Uh, Quest. Also, harbor. We're gonna get the reference and get character image set brush. Actually, make brush texture. Set brush from texture. So it gets the size of our image. Let's hope our images are correct size. And press match size. So we're gonna promote this to a variable and name this variable quest given image. So on event overlap, we are setting before we put the quest to the viewport, we are setting the image that we have set into this variable, which is instant editable and expose and spawn. Just in case we spawn this blueprint from somewhere. So we're getting the reference of the widget, and then we're getting the character image from our widget, and connect this to target. And let's go to our map, select our quest, compile and save everything so it works. We have the quest image. Now let's drag and drop an image, so let's select actually. There's a lot of images. Yeah, that's not the most valid way. We should go to UI characters. And let's drag and drop this one, because it's the one that I grabbed. Compile and save, so now, if all is done correctly, we have a guy here asking for our fish. Get the fish, we give the fish. Ah, he looks so nice. Before we close, let's really quick do something else also. So, actually, what we want to do is move this bell left and right when we trigger our cinematic from here. So this plays during the cinematic. We could do it inside the sequencer. Like, if I open the sequencer, I can bring a reference of this here, and with the transform, moving it left and right. But we're not gonna do that. What we're gonna do is call an event that will do that for us. So I'm gonna pause here, and we're gonna do this on the next one. Goodbye.